Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how you can download and install Boom Beach application on your iOS device. The process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up the App Store on your device. In the search box, type in Boom Beach. Look for this application from Supercell that says Boom Beach War Strategy Game. Tap on the Get button or the little cloud with an arrow, and then you should be able to start downloading the app. If you are getting the app for the first time on your device, you'll need to confirm the installation by using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. After waiting for a couple of minutes, your Boom Beach application will install. You can then simply go ahead and tap on Open to start playing the game and enjoy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Boom Beach tips and tricks. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.